What's up guys, Kalen Bryan here with you today. In this video, that's a quick review on WorldVentures. Is WorldVentures a scam? Is it legit? Is it not legit? Is it a Ponzi scheme? What is it? I'm pretty sure a lot of you have heard of WorldVentures, so if you want to just have a quick review on it, this is the place you want to be, okay? So WorldVentures, basically, if you are watching this video, you know what WorldVentures is. WorldVentures, to make money, is a network marketing firm. It's basically a multi-level network marketing firm or marketing company that does not pay big businesses, does not pay a lot on advertisement. Instead, it promotes this product by reaching out to people such as myself or others who want to make money. They drive traffic to WorldVentures. WorldVentures then gets more members, and that person who attracted them to WorldVentures gets to sell. So it's basically a network marketing, MLM, whatever you want to say, kind of marketing. A lot of people say it's a scam because it's like I buy a product and the person under me buys a product and so forth, so on. But it's not a scam. Number one, WorldVentures trips and vacations are pretty awesome. I've taken one and it was, it was buttoned to it. It was really good. I had no negative concern, no negative feedback or nothing that was very had red flags or whatnot. And I know a lot of other people who've taken trips with WorldVentures and who has used WorldVentures as vacation, and who has used the actual product. And it's a pretty legit company, right? And as far as making money, it is also a legit company, right? You basically, just like any other product, you promote it to traffic, and then people and then traffic goes to WorldVentures, right? So it's just like any other company. I remember working for Northwestern Mutual in my college days, and just got a text message here, sorry. Yeah, my college days at Northwestern Mutual as a financial representative, and it was an internship basically, right? And they did the exact same thing. A lot of people do not know about Northwestern Mutual, right? What they do is they use their people, their representatives. Specifically, what they did, they hired a bunch of interns, which I was a part of, to go to our direct lines, like our families and our friends, to try to sell them some securities and whatnot, and then also to promote others to Northwestern Mutual. So they didn't use heavy advertising with big ad companies and billboards and stuff like that. They use their people to promote their company. And WorldVentures is the same thing. WorldVentures is a legit company that gives you travel experiences and different packages where you and your friends and your family can utilize them to, live a adventurous life and travel and see things and just go wherever you want to go to, right, with a good deal. And it's legit. But with making money, it's the same thing. So the question is, why do so many people say that WorldVentures is a scam? Well, quite frankly, it's easy, because 97% of those who start a business, specifically online as affiliate marketers or internet marketing or whatever, when people who start a business who want to make money online, 97% of them fail. Why do they fail? Because number one, they have unrealistic goals, right? And number two, they're not consistent or patient. They want to reach an insane amount of money overnight. Well, to be brutally honest with you, that does not happen. You will not make money, a large sum of money overnight with any program, let alone WorldVentures. Things take time. If you want to make $250,000 a month on autopilot, you're not going to do that overnight with one program like, say, WorldVentures. You're not going to do it. But what you have to do is you have to put in the work. You have to be consistent. You have to draw out plans and make sure you're taking action on those plans. And again, being consistent. I remember when I started my affiliate marketing, my internet marketing journey and making passive income, and it was tough. Even when I was a Northwestern Mutual financial representative, going to my friends and going to my family, trying to sell them on securities, it was awkward. Like, I would ask my mom, do you want a life insurance policy? Do you want term or you want whole life? And it was just awkward, right? And I felt like I was cheating them, even though the product was okay and was good, it was just awkward. But I didn't give up in my affiliate marketing and internet marketing business today. I did not give up, and I'm not giving up now. You have to write out a plan, take massive action, and be consistent. Okay. But so another reason why 97% of the people who start their online business fail is because they're using that same old method. Get warm traffic. Reach out to those who you know, your family, your friends, and then reach out to their family, to their friends. And it's awkward, and it will not get you leads. It will not get you sales. So the best way for you to start seeing growth and results in your business is to go from the old way of thinking and the old models to internet marketing. And specifically, it is called attraction marketing. There's somebody in the world is a big place, and real little small specks. There's someone out here somewhere that wants the product that you are promoting, right? So you have to utilize global sources like the internet, and market. Use attraction marketing. Go out and relate to people. Give people what they need. Give them value. Give them something that helps them grow better and grow to, and get their results and reach their results. And then that's how you attract that lead, you attract that sale, and then you just keep establishing a relationship, and boom, your business will grow exponentially. So I want to go into the computer right now and share with you a couple of people who are using this method and who have been using it for years and have been making millions of dollars with WorldVentures and with their own internet marketing courses right now. So let's hop into the computer right now. Okay guys, so here we are in the computer. So I did want to share just real quickly WorldVentures with you guys. You can become a member and take advantage of WorldVentures products. Just going to start your own business, like I was saying, and make money with them. So they have training, they have events, they have testimonials down here, and you can go here and view their compensation plan for if you send members to WorldVentures and they sign up and become long-term members and such, and you can see what you get paid, what commissions you get, what happens down the line. So what happens to the people you sign on? Like if you get a commission based on who they sign on and such. So it's a very complicated kind of I guess compensation overview, but it's legit. It's not a scam, trust me. I know plenty of people who have started this business. I'm not a direct affiliate with WorldVentures, but I have heard really good things about their business compensation plan. Okay, so that's WorldVentures. But going back to what I was saying earlier about those who leverage the internet to reach global masses, this is one person. His name is Tony Robbins, and Tony is an internet marketer basically, and a self-made millionaire. I'm pretty sure you know who Tony is, right? And what Tony does, he has this is his website. It's called TonyRobbins.com, and he just attracts millions and millions of people by the kind of value and the content that he gives out. Like, and this is his own website, his own personal brand here. You can ask him questions about store experiences, coaching, his blog. Like, there's just so much you can learn from Tony just from this site, right? And he even has free coaching calls, a complimentary results coaching session. Today you can schedule your call. He has a lot of stuff that you can just utilize, learn and grow, start today, right? And what people do is they see that he's offering so much value that they'll go to his store, go to some of his training system and say, oh man, he's offering such free valuable content. I wonder what it is if I were to take one of his paid courses, right? And so then they go to one of his courses and take a quiz, or they take one of his courses and discover the tools necessary to make your life extraordinary, right? And they'll buy this course, and look, Tony is making money, right? But he has to first attract his customers. He's not going there asking his mom, his grandmother, his uncles and aunts and brothers and sisters and friends. No, he's leveraging the art of attraction marketing, and he's attracting those who need and want what he's offering, because there's a pain or there's a problem in the marketplace and he's offering a solution, and there's someone out there that wants it and he's finding that person, right? So that's Tony Robbins. That's just one example. Another example is Matt Morris. So Matt Morris is the founder of WorldVentures, right? So he has done the same thing. This is mattmorris.com. Not only is he doing WorldVentures, but he's also promoting himself, because there's so much more that he can basically promote and do and offer people by attraction marketing. And the same thing goes here. He created his own brand, his own image, his own site, has his own products. He has Get My Free 5-day video training series. All you do is enter your name and email address, and there he is. He's growing his list. So he gets his list, his email autoresponder, and then it grows and grows and grows and grows, and he just keeps giving his list value, free value, and then all of a sudden they start to trust him. They start to build a relationship with him, and then Matt says, "Okay, guys, enough free value. Now, if you really want to be serious about taking control of your life, join or purchase this product or join my course or whatnot," right? And he's making passive income while he's sleeping. So this is just the power of internet marketing, attraction marketing, right? If you want to learn internet marketing, if you want to learn how to become a good marketer and attraction marketer, then there's a link in the description. It'll be my #1 link, and it's a free step-by-step guide on affiliate marketing, and it'll show you how exactly how you can do that today. Guys, I'm telling you, you need to take control of your future, to take control of your life, but it takes massive action and it takes consistency. You have to have an action plan. You have to be consistent with your action plan, or you will not see results. You'll be like the 97% just complaining that stuff is a scam and that it doesn't work. Don't be that person. Be the person who takes control of their life and creates the life they want to, not just let life happen. That's not living, that's just existing, right? So guys, if you like this video or dislike this video, hit the like button or dislike button, whatever you want to do, and comment below what you think about WorldVentures. If you have had any experiences with WorldVentures, let me know and let my other viewers know, so we can get some clarification. I'm pretty sure there's tons of people out there that have experienced WorldVentures on the business side as well as purchasing their products. Let me know in the comments below. And if you like this kind of videos, make money online, affiliate marketing, learning how to make passive income, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell, because I'm coming out with daily content showing you how to live a life full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. Okay guys, so hopefully you like this video. Thanks for watching. Peace.